Hey gang, just want to give you a quick unboxing video of this CAHAYA. This is a guitar stand. I just got this in the mail, so I'm just really excited just to get this thing opened up and, just kind of checking it out and see how it looks. It shows the outline of the stand on the outside, so you kind of get an idea of it. Open that up. All right. First, we got the installation instructions that come with it. It's a tripod guitar stand. So let's get this thing opened. Right. Oh, that's cool. All right, there's the base of it. All right, and then this is the guitar stand. So yeah, it comes just with in these three pieces right here, and it comes with this as well. So just my initial impressions are I like the fact these are nice and rubberized, so I can tell that these will not harm any guitar. And just it's sturdy in its design. It looks like it's just kind of it just comes down like that, and so then that just sets it up here, right there, and then this locks it into place. So yeah, overall, it's a good design of this. I'm impressed so far.